In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide chats in Microsoft Teams. Now, you might find yourself in a situation where you've hidden a chat by accident or just need to bring it back for further conversation. And don't worry, unhiding chats is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First things first, open up Microsoft Teams on your device. Once you have the application running, you'll want to focus your attention on the left side of the screen where you'll see a variety of tabs such as Activity, Teams, Calendar, and right there, you'll find the Chat tab. Go ahead and click on that Chat tab. This is the central hub for all your individual and group conversations, and it's where you can easily manage your communication within Teams. Now, once you're inside the chat section, direct your gaze to the top of the page. There you will see a search bar. It's your best friend for finding any chat that you've hidden or perhaps even forgotten about. So click on the search bar and type in the name of the person or the group with whom you've had the conversation that you hid. It's a powerful search tool that will sift through all your interactions to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. After entering the name or group of the chat you wish to unhide, press the Enter key or simply wait for the instant search results to appear. You'll notice that the hidden chat doesn't disappear entirely from Teams. It's just tucked away to give you a cleaner interface. So in those search results, you'll likely see a list that includes the chat you want to unhide. Go ahead, and from the search results that appear, locate and select the chat. With just those few simple steps, the chat becomes visible again, allowing you to pick up right from where you left off. You can continue your conversation just as easily as before, without any information lost. It's as simple as that. In summary, just remember to start by launching Microsoft Teams and heading to the Chat tab on the left sidebar. Use the search bar efficiently by typing in the name of the person or group, and then just select the chat from the search results. It's a quick and uncomplicated process that ensures you can keep your workspace organized while still having access to any past communications when needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your hidden chats back in view. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials, and feel free to reach out in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn.